Hi everyone, I'm Grant Wilson, Executive Chair at Taiwan Limited. Today, Taiwan announced what's referred to as an entitlement offer. The full details of this offer are included in a prospectus, which was released online this morning by the ASX. I encourage all of you to read the prospectus carefully and in its entirety before making a decision to invest with Taiwan. The investment process will all be managed online over the next couple of weeks in conjunction with Computershare. Now, the structure and the purpose of this offer is different than the capital raises that we've managed over the past year. There are 5 key points that I wanted to emphasize to shareholders today. The first is that, as distinct from a placement, this is an offer to all existing shareholders of Taiwan. And that's a really important point to make at the top. We wanted to provide this opportunity to all of our instos and especially retail as well. Retail at Taiwan has been instrumental to our journey and own around 70% of the stock as well. And we haven't afforded an opportunity to retail to participate for over a year now. And so this is that opportunity. The second point is that there are attaching options to this offer. They're struck at 12 cents and these options will expire in mid-2027. Our intention is to list these options on the ASX, subject to shareholder approval at the AGM. These are the same options that were part of the recent placement, meaning that they'll be liquefied for all of our investors. And we know as well, with the options that are currently trading on the ASX, they're comfortably above 1 cent in price. So the options that are part of the entitlement offer, we expect to trade higher than that because it's got a more proximate price and to have a lot of value. And so that's a key part of the value proposition as you consider this opportunity. Third, regarding use of funds, a really important aim of this capital raise is to pay down Taiwan's outstanding debts. This is both the $2.4 million outstanding on the Speewah acquisition and the convertible note that we wrote in Q1. We're nearly there at Speewah in paying down what we owe, and we are keen to clear the decks ahead of finalising our joint venture with Sumitomo Corporation. The convert, that was a bridge. It was a bridge from Q1 to our PFS. We don't need it anymore, and what we're looking to do is strengthen Taiwan's balance sheet because that will benefit all shareholders of the company. Fourth, on process, we've opted for a short offer window of just over 2 weeks. That was the fastest available time frame with the ASX, meaning that applications will close on Monday, the 2nd of September. Shareholders that apply for their full entitlement can also apply for additional shares under what's known as the oversubscription facility. And there's no limit for individual shareholders of Taiwan in taking up that facility. It's typical for companies with these entitlement offers to end up with what's known as a shortfall. Now, these are shares not taken up by existing shareholders under the entitlement offer by the closing date. And in our situation, we fully expect that to be the case. Importantly though, Taiwan then has the ability to place the shortfall capacity at the same terms of the entitlement offer over the next 3 months. So that's September, October, November, very important months for Taiwan. So it's that flexibility that we're seeking with this entitlement offer, enabling us to move forward with confidence right through the second half of the year. Now finally, on timing, as everyone knows, we've got major catalysts ahead right through the second half of the year at Taiwan. On vanadium, we've made really important progress on our test work campaigns, especially through the first half, and we've got a really major decision ahead in Q3 as between Salt Roast and Taiwan Plus in development with Syro. At Sandover, we've also made fantastic progress with our exploration partner, Earth AI. We're on track to commence drilling. It's really exciting, especially the high-grade lead and silver. We're working closely with the Central Land Council to bring that together in the next month or so. And of course, on fluorite, we're in fantastic shape coming off our pre-feasibility study. It was a really important report which confirms the high criticality of our fluorite and the low capex and cost structure of the project. Ahead, we're working really closely with all levels of government in Australia, and we're expecting tangible and visible forms of government support for the project to be seen in the second half of the year. And of course, we're making great progress towards our JV with Sumitomo. This would be an absolute landmark achievement for the company and completely re-rate Taiwan in the second half of the year. So I hope this additional context for the offer assists. You can obviously contact us, or you can visit the Computershare website directly if you'd like to learn more about how to participate. As always, thank you for your support of Taiwan. We're looking forward to a tremendous second half of the year.